Hi, everybody. Welcome back. Today, I have a fantastic video lined up for you here at the Taipei Botanical Gardens, a lush tropical oasis here in the city of Taipei. It's over 20 acres. It's been here since 1896. So, without further ado, guys, let's go check it out. Now it is the middle of winter and it's pretty darn cold, so I don't expect a lot of flowers or big lily pads in the pond, but it still should be an excellent walking tour. Let's go, guys. As we stroll through these twisty paths, we'll come across over 2,000 plant species, all picked to highlight Taiwan's awesome botanical roots. This place has some serious history. It was set up back in 1896 during the Japanese colonial days. By 1921, it got its official name, the Taipei Botanical Garden. Since then, it's grown into a buzzing spot for locals and tourists alike. I think some of the tree damage you see back here was from the last typhoon. During World War II, work on the garden stopped and neglect took over. After the war, the Taiwan Forestry Research Institute stepped in to save it. They revamped the space, added new plant species, and made it showcase worthy. Now the garden's like a theme park for plants, with zones for evergreens, ferns, aquatic plants, and even a lotus pond, because who doesn't love a lotus pond? Hey guys, this would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. Over 80% of you are not subscribed. I'm trying to close into 2,500 subscribers, so do your part. Hit that subscribe button. Let's keep going, guys. The round building in the back is where we had lunch at an organic buffet called the Organic Yam. Also, this botanical garden isn't just about plants. It's like stepping back into a time machine. Way back when, this spot was part of an ancient Taipei lake where people lived here over 4,500 years ago. Also, tucked among the trees, you'll find two additional treasures. The original Herbarium, Taiwan's first, built in 1924, and the guest house of the imperial envoys, a Qing Dynasty gem moved here in 1933. Unfortunately, it's currently closed. These old school buildings give you a cool glimpse into Taiwan's history and culture. This walking video might be a little bit longer than usual, but I think you should watch to the end because I think you will enjoy all the sights, and you certainly don't want to miss any of this beautiful, lush botanical gardens here in Taipei. Now let's take a stroll into the greenhouse area, a lively jungle of tropical and subtropical plants. You'll find delicate orchids showing off, along with some seriously rare greenery living its best life. But this place isn't just about good looks. It's also a plant rescue center where endangered species get the VIP treatment. Let's keep going, guys. Also, when it comes to saving plants, this botanical garden is basically a superhero of endangered species. Thanks to the Project for Future Green, they've gone from rescuing 22% of rare plants in 2016 to an awesome 65% by 2022. Talk about leveling up. It's proof that this botanical garden is serious about keeping our planet's leafy treasure safe. As we continue to wander through the botanical garden, soaking in the sights, sounds, and smells, just remember, you're strolling through a place where nature and history are basically the same. And whether you're here to chill, learn something cool, or just admire the awesome plants, this botanical garden has you covered. It is definitely an experience you won't forget, unless you happen to walk into a tree while texting. Let's keep going, guys. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's video here in this tropical oasis known as the Taipei Botanical Gardens. Till next time, guys, Da Jia Zai Jian. See you all on the next video.